Hi everyone and welcome to part 20 of our ABAT exam preparation. This topic is about contingent and non-contingent primary and secondary reinforcement and punishment. So we are going to start with the contingent reinforcement and punishment. So remember this term contingent with the word conditional. So whenever we are talking about contingent reinforcement and punishment, it means that the reinforcement or punishment is conditional dependent on a specific behavior. So, if a specific behavior is occurring, then the reinforcement or punishment will be provided. It is conditional, it is contingent. Example, a child gets dessert only if they finish their vegetable. Contingent reinforcement because they will get the dessert only if they finish their vegetables, if they do a specific behavior. Next is non-contingent reinforcement and punishment. So by the term non-contingent, it means unconditional or non-conditional, which means the reinforcement or punishment will be provided regardless of the specific behavior. Example, a child receives attention periodically without any specific behavior. So after a specific or any time interval, the child is receiving attention, whether or not the specific behavior is happening, it means that the reinforcement or punishment is not based on the specific behavior. It is non-contingent. Next is primary and secondary reinforcement. So by primary reinforcement, it means that the reinforcers that are satisfying basic biological needs. Example, food, water, sleep, these are our basic biological needs and these are also our primary reinforcers. Secondary reinforcers are the reinforcers that have been learned or conditioned. They are not based on our biological needs but they are taught. For example, money, praise, token. And then primary and secondary punishment. Punishment is the punishment that is inherently unpleasant. Like these do not need to be taught and these are naturally unpleasant for us. For example, pain, extreme heat or loud noises. Secondary punishment are the punishment that has been conditioned to be aversive, conditioned to be unpleasant, to be bad, or so on. Example include criticism or disapproval. Coming towards the MCQs. Which of the following is an example of contingent reinforcement? A child gets dessert after eating all their vegetables. Which of the following best describes non-contingent reinforcement? A reward is given at random regardless of behavior. Which of the following is an example of primary reinforcement? Water. What is secondary punishment? Punishment that has been conditioned to be aversive like criticism. Which of the following is an example of secondary reinforcement? A person receives praise for helping a colleague. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.